This study plots two exponential moving averages, the 8 and 20 period, and fills the space between them with a cloud that changes color based on their relationship. The 8 EMA displays as a cyan line and the 20 EMA displays as a white line. When the 8 is above the 20, the cloud between them fills with green, indicating bullish momentum. When the 8 is below the 20, the cloud fills with red, indicating bearish momentum. This crossover system is one of the most widely used technical setups in trading. The width of the cloud also gives you information. A wide cloud means the two moving averages are far apart, indicating strong trending conditions. A narrow cloud means they're close together, suggesting consolidation or a potential crossover coming soon. That covers this study. When you're ready to add it to your charts, my TOS Chart Styles video is where you want to go. That's where I walk through my complete chart style setups and share the Flex Grid so you can use these studies too. If you found this helpful, share with your friends, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.